What would the play of your life look like? There are two main acts in your story, your old story and your new story. I want to help you rewrite the script of your new story and remove the roadblocks that hold you back from living your best life. In this one-day high-impact, on-your-feet experience, you will discover what's holding you back and step into the powerful role you are destined to play in the world. The world needs you at your best. What has worked for actors for centuries in transforming themselves on stage can easily work for you when you apply them to your own life, whether you have any experience working in the theater or not. In fact, it's better that you don't. These lessons from the stage can work for you if you allow yourself to get outside of your comfort zone and get more comfortable with the unknown, because it's in this place that you will experience your greatest potential. I've seen it happen time and time again, and it is freaking thrilling. Most of us experience only a small fraction of our real power, our purpose, and our potential in this life. It's true, and it's tragic. All change begins with you. This is the foundational element of lessons from the stage. What other moment is there but right now? When you remove your mask, what I call your inauthentic self, you set the stage for your greater story to begin. And again, I ask you, what would the play of your life look like? Supported by your group of gutsy souls, you'll present your greater story, and this is the 5 to 6 minute version of the play of your life. This is the culminating experience of your powerful journey to self-discovery, to transformation, and the art and science of human connection, what the world needs from you desperately now. I know asking you to put on a play of your life can be intimidating as hell, to say the least. But I promise the experience will be unbelievably exciting and fun. One of the most powerful skills you can learn in life is leaning into your fear and having fun along the way. Your new story is your creative firewalk and your personal commitment to living your greater story long after this workshop is over. So I look forward to helping you write, tell, perform, and live your greater story. Questions about the process? Shoot me an email at jesse@tellthewinningstory.com and let's start a conversation.